Introduction to the TurningPoint toolbar. Reset. This tab enables the user to reset the session so that data from previous events is not present. The user is able to reset either the complete session, the current slide, or all slides. The Open Folder tab opens up previous sessions saved in order to continue a session or restart a session. The floppy disk icon saves a session. The Insert Slide tab allows the user to insert different types of interactive slides and enables them to choose which graphical output they require. The user can also insert team assignment slides, participant leaderboards, team leaderboards, and fastest responder slides from this drop-down menu. There are some interactive slides which have already been created and are ready to use. The user can also create a priority ranking slide, which allows delegates to rank items in order of importance to them. The user can create demographic comparisons, which show how a certain section of the audience voted, also under this tab. The Paint Palette icon allows pictures to be inserted as options instead of words. Interactive features can be added to slides to add functionality. To do this, click on Insert Object on the toolbar. The user can choose to insert charts with different graphical outputs, as well as an Answer Now feature, which indicates to the audience that they need to vote. Different designs are available to choose from. The Countdown option places a timer on the slide to indicate how many seconds the delegate has left to register their vote. A response counter shows the presenter how many votes have come in, whilst the response table indicates which keypads have voted or not voted. A correct answer indicator flashes up to show which of the answer options is correct. Again, different designs are available. The Stats function adds a different slant to a vote by placing, for example, the mean average of the votes on screen. The Tools tab opens up quite a long drop-down menu. However, the main functions required are the Turning Reports, which generate the reports using the data collated during the session, and Session Management, which allows the user to export and import data, as well as merging session files together. The Comparative Links option enables a question to be asked at two different times and the data collected from both times the question was asked to be compared. The Conditional Branching function works in much the same way as a traditional questionnaire. If participants answer in a certain way, the software jumps to a question which relates more to their previous answer. The Ranking Wizard feature is a risk analysis function which enables users to set up and vote on what-if scenarios. Finally, the Settings option is where users can change colours, add points, and generally edit their questions. When clicking on the Response Devices tab, users can choose how they wish to view the session, whether by using the keypads and receiver, or by rehearsing using the keyboard or simulated data. As the software can be downloaded onto anybody's computer, staff can design their interactive presentation and run through it to see how it would look in a live scenario without the need for a receiver. The Participant button displays various options for creating a participant list. The first option is to use the wizard to guide the user through setting up a participant list. The second option is if you already have a list of names somewhere that you want to import into TurningPoint to use as a participant list. The third option is to edit an existing participant list, whilst the fourth option is to delete a list. The next tab has a drop-down menu, where the user can choose which list they wish to use on a particular session. There is also the option of using the system anonymously. Finally, the last tab on the TurningPoint toolbar is the Help button.